Are you ready to bungee jump?
No. Are you serious? Costa. I don't think I can do this. So sorry.
It's your birthday.
I know, that's exactly why I want to stay alive and with the, you know, dry and clean pants and all that. Know what it's supposed to be.
Then your destination will be
For some reasons I think it should be that helicopter or whatever, some water, whatever, something. I mean, either you throw me out of the boat somewhere or from a helicopter, one of the two.
Yeah, you can't really go straight.
And then destination will be on the right. Я же говорю, причистая ее не обмануть.
Hey, how's it going?
Come on in.
Thanks.
Hey.
Left or right?
Everything.
How long is it?
Half hour.
Half hour?
You got this.
Seatbelt first, then open the life vest but do not inflate it. Shoes must be securely on. Slip-ons or flip-flops are not allowed. The shoe selfie is permitted only over water. Feet must remain on the outside skid tube while over land and or...
I've seen it not over water.
Lens changes are not allowed. All items must be attached to a carabiner. Outside passengers will be fitted with a special harness, which will be secured to the aircraft.
That was the pilot's help.
Up to you, New York, New York. New York, New York. I want up in a city that never sleeps and find our main number one, top of the list, king of the hill, hey, number one. These little town blues are melting away. I'm gonna make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New